Okay, so we are back. So after I was able to write the structure in the last video. I was able to write the structure of the HTML page, and I said that it is we are going to talk about tags now. We are going to talk about tags now, and he said elements have element and tag. Element have a starting tag and a closing tag. So the entire thing is called the element. Why? What that element contains is called, it contains what? The starting tag, which is this p bracket p you are seeing there, the content, which is this a paragraph of text, and the closing tag, which is this other one you are seeing there. So all together they are called what? An element. So p tag is an element. Are you getting it? In an HTML page. So I want to talk about tags this in the training now. The first tag I'm talking about is the h1 tag. This h1 tag is when you are writing, when you want to write, make something very bold in your website, you will use the h1 tag. And let's see how it is. Don't forget to always save your what you have done. Then let's open the browser and see how it is. Are you seeing it? So it is the h1 tag, coding up training 1.0. So that's the work of the function of the h1 tag. And it's not only h1, it's up to 6. So we have the the more the number goes up, the smaller the content of your what you're writing inside is will be. So if I write this coding up training again, okay, let me not waste time. Training again 1.0, and don't forget there's a opening tag and there's a closing tag. If you don't put your closing tag, it won't work. So I put this. So let me just duplicate it and show you it's up to 6. We have h1, h2, h3, h2, h6. So I'll copy it. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Come down again, paste another one there. Let's take a space. Paste another one there. Come down again, paste another one there. So I want to show you. The more it gets reduced, I'll just change it to 3. Okay, h1 2. And this one should be h3. Then I change the closing tag also to be 3. And this should be, pay attention. I hope we are following. H4, because our first assignment is going to be writing an article about yourself using the correct HTML semantic. We are going to do it on either we do it on code, either we do it on Replit or code pen, as you'll be taught about it. So it's giving me option already, safe. So this one is h4, okay, h5 rather, h5. So my browser is giving me suggestion already. So this one is h5 giving me already. Are you seeing it? So it's up to 6. Let me do the last one so that you get what I'm saying. So depending on what you want, what you want that what you want, how bold you want your content to be in your website. Okay, 6. So now save. I've saved now, then I open in my browser. Are you seeing it? This one, so how it is. So the first one is the h1 tag, followed by all h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So the list is the h6 tag. So then we'll go to the next tag I'm going to talk about in this video. Our time is going. This is the last one I'll talk about in this video. Then the next video we're going to talk about more tags. Is the p tag. The p tag is called the paragraph tag. That's the opening tag and your content. Let me write another content and say quote. This is the first quote 1.0. Okay, let me write something else. and let's say allow God to teach you His word. Okay, so we have a p tag, and if I save that now and open in the browser, let me open it in the browser. That's our p tag, and you can see that it's having a difference. There's a difference between it and the h1 tag we're talking about, h1, h2, h3 tag. It's just looking at a normal paragraph. So that's all we're doing in this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about more tags.